Good morning, friends. Today we'll solve a problem on deflection of bent frame by Castiglione's method. So this is the bent frame. So the vertical arm is 4 meter and horizontal arm is 2 meter. Horizontal arm is loaded with 5 kilonewton per meter uniformly distributed load. So let us calculate the moments due to load. So here, if I take any cross section, here xx, distance x from C, moment due to this load will be 5 into x by 2. At this point, moment due to this load is 10 kilonewton meter anti-clockwise. Okay, then at B, same is transferred in the reverse direction, that is 10 kilonewton meter clockwise. Then reaction at B will be equal to total load 5 into 2, that is 10 kilonewton, and the action at B will be equal to 10 kilonewton, and action at A will be also 10 kilonewton. So these are the forces due to applied load. Then for calculating the vertical deflection, you require to apply a unit vertical load at C. So let us see the calculations. So at B, the moment will be equal to 1 into 2, that is 2 clockwise. Same is here opposite, that is 2 clockwise. Then the vertical load here, it is reaction is 1 upward, here the reaction is 1 downward. Then for calculating horizontal deflection, we apply a unit horizontal load at C. For that, the reaction at B will be equal to 1 towards left. Same, the reaction will be at B, that is 1 towards right. Okay. So now for the calculation of deflection, first we will list out the things as here: member, origin, limits, moment due to applied load, moment due to unit vertical load, moment due to horizontal load, and respective EI. EI for the member CB is EI, and for the member BA it is 2I as it is given in the problem. So list out member CB one portion, member BA another portion. For member CB, I will take the origin as C, and for member BA, I will take the origin as P. Okay. So here limits will be from 0 to 2 meter. This is 0 to 2 meter, and for BA it is 0 to 4 meter. 0 to 4 meter. Moment at any section xx, distance x from C, it will be 5x square by 2, that is 2.5 x square. It is hogging, hence negative. 5 into x square by 2, that is 2.5 x square. Then moment in the portion BA will be equal to 10, that is minus. There is no other load, hence only this moment will be throughout the column. Then this column is meant for moment due to unit vertical load in the respective members. Moment due to this load will be 1 into x, that is minus. Then in this portion it will be, this is 2, that is 2, that is also minus. Then this is the column meant for moment due to unit horizontal load. Due to this unit horizontal load, here the moment in the member BC will be equal to 0. No moment will be there. And moment in the member BA will be equal to 1 into x, that is also minus. So due to, as per Castiglione's theorem, this is the formula for vertical deflection, and this is the formula for horizontal deflection, that is equal to integral m into dx by EI, where m is moment due to applied load, m is due to unit vertical load, into dx by EI. In case of horizontal deflection, m is due to applied load, m dash is due to unit horizontal load into dx by EI. let us calculate deflection due to vertical load, that is m into dx by EI. So if you refer the table, m is equal to minus 2.5 x square, m is equal to minus x into dx by EI. That is the first part for the member CB. Then for the member BA, the limit is from 0 to 4, m is minus 10 and small m is minus 2 dx by EI, 2 EI. So integrating we get that is 50 by EI as the vertical deflection. Similarly for horizontal deflection, we will take integration of m into m dash dx by EI. So you have to, in the first part if you see, moment due to horizontal load in the member BC is not there. So we will take only second part. So that is 0 to 4, integration between the limits 0 to 4 of m is minus 10 and x is, small m dash is minus x divided by 2 EI into dx. So from this integration we get delta C horizontal equal to 40 by EI. Thank you.